You spend around 1/3 of your entire life asleep. That's roughly 26 years if you live to 80. And for most of that time, you have absolutely no idea what's happening. You close your eyes, and then suddenly, it's morning. But a lot is actually going on. Your brain isn't resting. Your body isn't just lying there. Sleep is one of the most active and important things you do. Tonight, we're going to walk through exactly what happens, stage by stage. Sleep is divided into two main types. The first is called NREM, non-rapid eye movement sleep. The second is REM, rapid eye movement sleep. Both are completely different, and both are essential. You cycle through them multiple times every night. Let's start from the beginning, from the moment you close your eyes. The first stage is called N1, and it only lasts a few minutes. This is the transition between being awake and being asleep. Your muscles start to relax. Your breathing slows down. Your brain starts producing alpha waves, slow, relaxed signals. You're still easy to wake up at this point. You might not even feel like you've fallen asleep yet. Some people experience a sudden jerk in this stage. That's called a hypnic jerk, and it's completely normal. Then comes stage 2, called N2. This is where you spend the most time across the whole night, about 50% of your sleep. Your body temperature drops slightly, your heart rate slows, your brain produces short bursts of rapid activity called sleep spindles. These help with memory, filing away the things you learned during the day. You're still in relatively light sleep, but it's getting harder to wake you up. Then comes stage 3, deep sleep. This is the most restorative stage. Your brain produces slow, large waves called delta waves. Your body releases growth hormone, which repairs tissues and builds muscle. Your immune system gets a boost. Blood pressure drops. This is the sleep that makes you feel physically refreshed in the morning. If someone wakes you during deep sleep, you'll feel groggy and confused. That feeling is called sleep inertia. Deep sleep is hardest to get, and it's the first thing you lose when you don't sleep enough. After deep sleep, you enter REM, rapid eye movement sleep, and this is where things get interesting. Your eyes move rapidly under your eyelids. Your brain becomes almost as active as when you're awake. This is when most of your vivid dreaming happens. But here's the fascinating part. Your body is temporarily paralyzed. Your brain sends a signal to your muscles that essentially shuts them off. This stops you from physically acting out your dreams. REM sleep is when your brain processes emotions. It replays the day's experiences and connects them to older memories. Think of it as your brain's overnight therapy session. Now, these 4 stages don't just happen once. They repeat throughout the night in roughly 90-minute cycles. A full night's sleep contains about 4 to 6 of these cycles. But here's what most people don't realize. The cycles change as the night goes on. In the early part of the night, you get more deep sleep. In the second half, closer to morning, you get more REM. This means that if you cut your sleep short, sleeping 5 hours instead of 8, you're not just losing a few hours. You're cutting off the REM-heavy cycles at the end, the ones responsible for memory, learning, and emotional balance, which is why poor sleep doesn't just make you tired. It affects your mood, your focus, your ability to think clearly. Let's look at what your body is actually doing while all this is happening. Your brain is consolidating memories, taking what you learned during the day and locking it in. Studies show that people who sleep after learning something remember it significantly better than those who stay awake. Your body is repairing itself. During deep sleep, muscles recover, cells divide and repair. Inflammation goes down. Your immune system works over time. Sleep is when your body produces cytokines, proteins that fight infection and disease. This is why when you're sick, you feel an overwhelming urge to sleep. Your body is trying to heal. And in REM sleep, your brain processes emotions. It replays difficult experiences from a safe distance. This is why sleep helps reduce the emotional weight of painful memories over time. So next time you go to sleep, you're not just passing time. You're running a complex biological program that keeps you healthy, sharp, and emotionally stable. Every stage plays a role. Every cycle matters. And the better you understand sleep, the better you can protect it. In the next video, we'll look at what actually happens to your body and brain when you don't get enough of it. The results might surprise you.